want to have it for balance, you can have your hands here. We're going to keep with the idea of twisting that we've been working on today. I'm going to ask you to set your right foot forward and your left foot directly behind it. Now, if that for some reason twinges on the back, do step a little wider. But we're going to have our feet in line with each other. From here, find your balance. This is, again, if you need the chair, go for it. You're going to have your arms out wide. Exhale and twist. Inhale, back to center. Exhale and twist to the other side. And inhale back to center. We're going to keep going with this. So you might find that this is a challenging position to balance in. I want you to do whichever part of this exercise feels like it needs the most work. If adding the twist to working on the balance feels like too much, then just stand and keep your hands on that balance and let your feet figure themselves out. Otherwise, really finding that both are working and wrapping through the abdominals and the torso. We've done quite a bit of twisting and spiraling today, so we're just bringing some pieces back together.